Hi, so I'm back with another video. I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm taking that shade of Blaze with my big blending brush, and I'm just using that as my transition shade. And I'm not using much of this color because I don't want that orange to be peeking through. This is supposed to be a brown look, but I still want to use that as my transition. And I'm going in with my medium-sized blending brush, and I'm taking So Warm, and I'm putting that below the transition shade I use and blending it up because I really don't want that orange to be showing. Then I'm taking Rich, and I'm putting that in the same place that I use So Warm in, and like I said, I'm just blending it up. And I'm sorry for the lighting changes in this video. There's a lot of them and it looks terrible, but I use natural sunlight, so there's nothing I can do about it. Then I'm taking Brunette, and I'm just putting that deeper in my crease just for more definition. And I was sort of patting that color in and then blending it just for more color payoff. And I'm slightly blending it up with the other browns I use. Then I'm taking my more defined crease brush, and I'm taking Toast, and I'm just putting that in my crease socket for more definition. And I'm just taking that medium-sized blending brush and just blending that all together so it can look seamless. Another lighting change. And so I'm going in with my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm taking that cool tone brown, and I'm putting that all over my lid. I wanted this to be an all matte look because 90s grunge makeup, it was always matte colors, dark matte colors, and so yeah. Then I'm taking my angle brush, and I'm taking Wiz from Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just kind of lining my lash line with that, just so my lash band will have something to blend in with. I'm just kind of smoking it out. Then I'm taking my Ruby Kisses black eyeliner and putting that in my waterline. Then I'm taking my Miss 3D Lash in M535, and I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara first and coating my lashes. Then I'm going to put my false lashes on. Then I'm taking my NK lip pencil and I'm lining my lips a lot with that. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid lipstick in Corset. It's a lip lingerie. And I'm just putting that in the center of my lips because that's a total 90s vibe. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope whoever watches this enjoys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell. I really enjoyed doing this look because I love the 90s. I was born in 1999. A lot of people are like, oh, you're not a 90s baby, but I still am, even though I was born 99. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.